Welcome to Mr. CTV, worked example 2.1. As Benjamin rides to school, he passes a petrol station and a milk bar. Upon reaching the milk bar, he stops for an ice cream, then he realises that he has spent his lunch money, so returns home before continuing to school. What is the distance travelled in his journey? Okay. Because distance travelled is the actual distance that he's travelled on the ground, Ben starts at home, goes to the milk bar, has his ice cream, goes back home to get his money, and then goes back to school. We can actually see that the distance that he has travelled is 750 metres when he went from home to the milk bar, plus another 750 when he went back home, plus 1,000 metres to get to school. Add all these up together and we get 2,500 metres. Okay, this next question is about the displacement of Benjamin. Now, displacement is different to distance. Displacement is simply the difference between the final position, that is school, and the initial position, that is home. Physicists work it out in this way. They say that S is equal to the final position subtract the initial position. So what was Ben's final position? His final position was here at the 1,000 metre mark. So we're going to put in 1,000 metres. That's where he ended up. Where did he start? He started at home, which was 0. So we go subtract 0 equals 1,000 metres displacement. Now we have another displacement question. So we're looking for the change in position. Calculate Benjamin's displacement after he travels from the petrol station to the milk bar and then returns home. So we're interested in the difference between his position at the petrol station compared to home. So S is equal to, now his final position was home, was here, was at 0. So he finished up at 0. Subtract his initial position, which was at 250 metres. So his displacement was minus 250 metres. How can he have a minus displacement? Well, this is possible with displacement. It simply tells you that he has finished up 250 metres away in the negative direction compared to his starting position at the petrol station. So if he finished up over here, it would be a positive displacement, but because he finished up to the left, it is a negative displacement. And at this stage, you might want to remember during your graphing in maths, where this is the negative direction, this direction is the positive direction.